Okay, welcome to the 12th tutorial on HTML. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a link in a video file. In the last video, I taught you how to add a link in an image file, but in this video, not in an image file, but in a video. That means I'm going to just change the image source, change it to the video source. Okay, I'll remove this URL because it's the URL of a picture. I'll remove it. I'll take the URL of a video. I'm sorry, a video I created before. I'll just take the video of any of these. You know where to get the properties, the security. I will take this. I'll copy it. I'll take it to my code editor. I'll paste it. As you can see the URL, there's still no bad corrupted file in it. So what I just need to do is, should I change the web page? And let me just change the web page, so it will take us to another web page, which is the two quotes. I'll go to my Google Chrome again. Let me use the link table. I'll remove this. This. Oh, sorry for that. I'll take you to my elements and symbol. I've shown you this HTML page before, but when we get to that, I'll be showing you how to create this type of table, this style gold table. So I just came here to copy the URL. I'll copy that. I'll go to my code editor. I'll paste it there. I'll hit the save button again. There's still no corrupted file, but keep your eyes sharp, because when the corrupted file comes, it can appear anytime. So I'll just go to I'll remove this, and I'll just remove this. Then I'll just need to save. I'll hit the save button. Open this with Google Chrome. You can see it. When I click, you can see I clicked on the video. It took me to the web page. You can see. Now I can just make this. When I click at the video, it will take me to the main video itself. Look at, there's no control to play this video. There's no control to play this video. So I have to just do it like when I click at the video, it will take me to the main video. So I'll just go to my code editor. I will change this file to the main video itself. So as tutorial 2, so I'll remove this URL, take you to the videos, the captions, HTML tutorial 2. I'll take the URL of this video. I'll copy it. I'll just paste it here. That's a good one. I'll save it. Go to my web browser. I love Google Chrome because it shows all kind of images. As I love Google Chrome, I'll open it. Now it's shown, but when I click it, it downloaded the video for me. You can see it. HTML tutorial done. It downloaded the video for me. So if I click it again, you download the video more and more. It's in the internet. If you want to download this video, just click it. It will download the video for me. That's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.